Hello class, time for math. I want you to stand up where you are, find some space to jump around. We're going to jump like frogs today. You can either jump up and down where you are, or you can hop around the room like we do in the classroom. I'm going to say a combination. Every time I say a number, I want you to take a jump. When I say equals, yell the number out. And then I'll say the right answer and see if you were right. Okay, here we go. 5 plus 1 plus 0 equals, it was 6. Next one, 4 plus 2 minus 3 plus 7 equals, it was 10. Another one, 3 plus 5 minus 3 equals, it was 5. One more, 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 equals 11. How'd you do? Maybe you got them all right. Maybe you just got one right. That's okay. As long as you're trying. I know that's a lot to do in your head, so you keep trying. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to tell you a number, and then I want you to say the before and then the after. We're going to do it in the 100 to 200 chart. So go ahead and find that chart in your binder. 101 to 200 chart. I'm going to say a number. You tell me the before and the after. So my number is 124. Find it. Before, 123. After, 125. New number. Find 167. Okay, there's the 160 family, and then here's all the children. Before, 166. After, 168. Okay, put that chart away or close your binder. We're going to do this one without you looking. Here's your number. The number is 189. What comes before? 188. What comes after? 190. Good job. Let's practice with our money. I have some money here. Let's say our poem, let's start with the penny. Penny, penny, easily spent. Ready? Penny, penny, easily spent. Copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Nickel. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, worth 5 cents. I know that. Dime. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. George Washington is on this coin. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I'm told. All right. In all of my coins here, I'm going to start with the one that's worth the most, which is which one? The quarter. So, count with me. This would be 25. My next biggest one, plus 10 gives me 35. My next biggest one, my nickel, which is worth 5 cents. So we were at 35, now we're at 40. Plus a penny, 41. Okay, let's do another group. Which one is worth the most? I have these three, which are all the same. Monticello, Thomas Jefferson, nickel, which is 5 cents. Then I have this gentleman, George Washington. So which is worth more? The quarter. So we're going to start with 25. Then we're going to count by 5. So 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I'm going to give you a minute. I would like you to please find some, hopefully you still have a Ziploc bag with some money nearby. Find your money and find your piggy picture. Lay that out. And I don't know what coins you have in front of you, so you might need your parents' help to oversee this activity. But I would like you to count out 22 cents and ask your parents to send me a picture. Count out 22 cents and ask your parents to send me a picture. You can do that with just a quick text message. A quick text of showing me 22 cents. Okay, so take that photo. Then reset. I'm going to do 3 coins, so I'll be looking for 3 pictures. Let's see if we can do that today. That's a new way of me checking your work. 58 cents. 58 cents. Put that on the piggy. Have your parent snap a picture. And we have one more. If I'm going too fast, you can pause until you can get the coins you need and your picture taken. Our last one is 79 cents. 79 cents. It's important that we practice counting money, practice with our clock, practice with our addition and subtraction, because all of this is a trainable activity. By trainable, I mean the more you practice, the better you'll get at it. So we've got to stay practicing. So I'm looking for 3 photos, and you can just send those to my phone. Your parents can help with that. All right, we have something new to learn today, something that I've been looking forward all year to teaching you. But right before we get to that, I'm going to play a little game with you. Let's start by singing our days of the week. There are 7 days in a week, days in a week, days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Can you name them? Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday make 7. All right, here's the game. I'm going to say a day of the week. You tell me the day that comes before. Okay, my day is Monday. Before? Sunday. My day is Monday. After? Tuesday. All right, here's a new day. My day is Saturday. Before? Friday. My day is Saturday. After? Sunday. Good job. Can you do that with the months of the year? How many months in a year? 12. Let's sing our song. There are 12 months in a year, months in a year, months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Can you name them? January, February, March, and April, May, June, and July. August, September, October, November, December, when Jesus was born. Here's our game. First question, what month are we in now? Here's my calendar. Oop, I need to change the day on here. Today is 8th. What month are we in? April. All right, so we're in the month of April. What came before April? January, February, March, April. What came before? March. Okay, we're in April. What comes after? May. Okay, good job. I would like you to, let's see, take out your clock real quick. Take out your clock right before I tell you our brand new exciting lesson. Take out your clock. All right, on your clock, I want you to find 6:55. 6:55, and I'm going to get my clock. Now remember, on our clock, the hour hand is the short hand because hour is a short word. So 6:55, there's the hour. And then did you go around by fives? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Now the big hand is super close to the 12, which means the little hand will be very close to the 7. So that is what 6:55 looks like. Is that what you have? Okay, let's do another one. 9:10. I'll give you a minute. 9:10. So the hour was 9. And then count by fives. 5, 10. That is 9, 10. Does yours look like mine? I hope so. Are you ready for our new lesson? I have the coolest gloves in the world. Ready? My son has been playing with them ever since I brought them home. But don't get scared. Here they come. Hello, boys and girls. He has a friend. Hello, boys and girls. These are my alligator friends. They're very friendly. They want to teach you a fun way to figure out a bigger number versus a smaller number. Now, you've actually already learned this. You know how to find a bigger number, and you know how to find the smallest number. But today we're going to learn a fun way to do that. It's called greater than or less than, and it's super easy to do. These alligators have been trained. They always eat the bigger number. They want to make their meal count. So whichever number is bigger, that's the way his mouth faces. If the bigger number is on the left-hand side, he faces the left-hand side. If the bigger number is on the right-hand side, he faces the right-hand side. So whichever number is bigger, that's the one the alligator eats. Now, let's take a look over at some numbers I have on the board. I have the numbers 29 and 27. I know that you know by looking at them which one is bigger, but we're going to make it fun. Now remember, my alligator mouth eats the bigger number. So if the bigger number is this direction, then the alligator teeth go this direction. If my bigger number is this direction, my alligator teeth go this direction. So my number is 29 versus 27. Which is bigger? 29. So he eats the bigger number. And when you do this on your paper, you do not have to draw the teeth. You could just do it like this, but it's fun to draw the teeth. Look at this one down here. 75 and 72. Which is bigger? 72 is bigger, so the teeth go this way, whichever number is bigger. Now, I don't mind if you draw the teeth. Like I said, it's fun. But make sure that I can tell which way the mouth is going. So make sure that you make a very distinct arrow. So that's a fun way to figure out greater than and less than. In my next video, we will work on our worksheet, pages 259 and 260, and we will practice with our friendly alligators. Okay, so that's it for this video. Bye-bye.